here with a segment of A Little Bit with Kit. And the little bit that we're going to be touching on today is new moon ceremonies. Tonight is a new moon and I'm deciding to do a ceremony with a friend, so I thought I'd take an opportunity to guide you guys through the typical routine that I tend to do on my own. So first and foremost, I look up the meaning of the new moon or the full moon if you feel more connected with either or. So tonight's new moon meaning is all about shifting priorities and values, finding inspiration and freedom when facing challenges, and nurturing yourself through the chaos. So keep those bullet points in mind when you start to make intentions. Maybe you're making a new intention from the one you made last month, and that's how you're shifting your priorities. Maybe you're intending to make more time for yourself and more self-care throughout the month. So really important to keep those things in mind as you continue on through the routine. Once I have all those bullet points in my head, I go on to setting up my shrine, and I have my lovely plant wall behind me and my gorgeous yoga mat beside me here, where I set up a few things like my smudge kit, my essential oils, my angel cards, so a few things that you're going to be using throughout the routine. And once I have that set up, I use my smudge kit, and this is something you can pick up at a lot of crystal stores. Have them. It's essentially a little bundle, or sometimes they come in individual strips, and you just want to light them on fire and let them burn and walk around your shrine or space and let the smoke fill up your room and clear away any negative energy. Once you've done that, I like to move on to some cards. If you have tarot cards, or I have angel cards here, and there's 3 ways you can use them. You can ask the cards a question, shuffle them up, feel when they are speaking to you, and flip 1 card that'll answer that question. Or you can flip 3 cards, one for the past, present, and future. So what you've learned from the past, what you're currently going through, and what you'll gain from the future. Or you can flip 5 cards. One in the middle is what you're currently dealing with. On the left, you have your internal struggle. On the right, you have your external struggle. On the bottom, you have what your resolution would be, and at the top, you have a card that'll explain how you will meet that resolution. And this is a good way to get an idea of maybe what your intentions might be, or it'll, explain what your internal struggles are and what you're currently dealing with, and then that could be something that you then write to yourself. And that's what I like to do next, is either write a letter to myself or write down my intention. Sometimes I'll burn those intentions and just watch them dissipate into the universe. And then finally, I like to do some meditation, whether it's taking a walk, taking a bath, or even using some of my oils. These are chakra oils that I bought at like a little Tibetan store, and you can put them on all of your different 7 chakras and just meditate and breathe in those oils. So that's it for tonight. If you guys want to take little bits and pieces of that recipe and create your own recipe, please feel free to do so. Have a happy new moon night, and I'll see you guys on the next full moon.